word processing, text wrapping, practical steps, and the options available in order to do the text wrapping. The placement of text with graphics is an important aspect in a Word document. We can adjust the text around the image as we desire. Text wrapping allows us to place text behind an image, in front of an image, or around an image. So now in the coming session, we will see how this to be implemented. Let us start the practical on this thing, text wrapping. So first of all, I want to insert a picture over here. So I am going to the internet for a picture of, let's see, no corruption. Okay, say no to corruption. Say no to. In this way, you will learn how to insert a picture from the internet. It is very useful for your practical sorry, for your projects and all sometimes. So you can go and you can copy the image simply over here, or you can also sometimes you can save the image as well also, and then you can afterwards you can insert it. Save image as we will do. Save image as, let's see, I'm downloading. No, I'll not keep it downloaded. I'm keeping out here under the desktop. There is my videos, and then I'm keeping on what you call, there is a picture. No, I won't keep it this. So I will go over here a particular this PC. I will go and I will go onto the C drive. All right. So C drive to be opened, and then I'll keep an image over here. Excel image I will open, and then I will give this say no. I will save with the picture with say no. All right. So this I am saving. So you are learning also how to insert a picture from internet. All right, from the Google Drive. And then save. I have saved it. Then I will go back to the document, and I will insert, and I will do that picture, and I will do this device, and from here the C drive and Excel image folder I will open as I have saved over there that particular thing by pressing enter, and then here I will type just say no, and then click on insert. So it will be inserted once again out here. So it has been inserted. Now we will come with the wrapping option. All right. So for this wrapping option, what you have to do, picture has been already been selected. So format, we have to go to the arrange tab. This is the arrange tab. So here you will get everything over here. Wrap text. These are the different options available. You can inline with text, square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind text, in front, everything. So let's see inline with text. So inline with text means, so the text, it can be seen. First of all, I will just, the wrapping text also can be done by right click and then wrap text options. Then we'll go with the square, then you will be able to move it everywhere. So you see, this is the wrapping the text. So around the image it is wrapping the text. Now if I am doing over here top and bottom, it will be in this way. All right. So if I'm doing the wrap text in through, so it will be like this. Okay. And then if I'm doing the wrap text tight, it will be like this. Okay. And then behind the text, if I'm choosing, it will be behind the text. You see, it is behind the text. All right. So the thing is that you can press Control Z in order to go back to the previous thing, and then format. You can click over here once more, and coming back to the wrap text option, and then edit wrap points is also one more important thing out here. You can do the wrap point also. Okay, you can click and drag in this way. Okay, so first of all, this is edit wrap points, and these wrap points are, yes, here it is. So you can change the shape, so the text will be wrapped in this similar manner in this way. All right, that is the thing. So this is called tab. This is the thing. Suppose you want to increase this side also, you can do it in the same manner. So it has been, text has been wrapped in this way. So you can click over outside anywhere, so it will be wrapping in this way. So now the thing is that if I want to do the square, so square will be like this. So if I'm taking it over here, so it will be appearing in the same way. You can fix it out here as you can see it in your book. This is what the wrapping of text wrapping is available. Okay, so it is where it is available under the format, then the arrange group. Then alignment is also there, align center. So the picture will be aligned at the center, align right, that will be aligned. So if you want to align the middle, it will be aligned in the middle. So it will take its position from where with respect to that position. Align at the bottom, the picture has gone at the bottom over here. Okay, so from here, if you want to get it back to the align top, it will come back to the top once again. So it has gone to the top. These are the extra options available. So you can keep it over here if you want. The text will be wrapped in the same fashion. All right. So what I'm doing it, I'm highlighting it, and I'm doing it justify by pressing Control J. So you see the text has evenly watched over here. Now you can see it is looking nice. So now in this position, suppose you are taking it in this way, it will be done in this way. Okay. So it has been wrapped up. All right. So that is the way of, that is a different way that you can wrap up text. So can be the picture, come back to the format, and you will get it different type of options that is available. And that same can be possible by using the wrap text options over here. So all the options are also available. All right. So it actually helps us to wrap up the little more in wrapping. You can see as well right now. You can see it over here. You can see this particular option is available. Okay, so you can do it like this. With text wrapping, you can choose anything, fixed position on, and then you can choose it in this way. So the wrapping will be done in the similar manner as well. So how it is appearing, you see that this thing, same thing has been chosen over here. So there are different options available through the text and all. You can see the different way that is also possible from here. Okay, inline with text will be done in this way. So similarly, this particular wrapping guide box is available in Office 365 in the same fashion as you have seen it. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so as any point of time, you can move it also by using the square. Okay, wrapping text, and then you can come back to the square. Okay, square is the best option. That is the in order to find out, in order to fix it in a comfortable position, I mean. Okay, that is the thing. So I'm highlighting it this one, and then you can go to the format, that is the arrange. Okay, and you can afterwards you will be able to choose your choice of wrapping style. All right, so the thing is that another important thing is out here. Suppose I am keeping out here my cursor, highlighting it out here. Okay, and then going to the insert, and then I'm finding the text group ones. This I had shown you before also. So from here also you can insert word art, you can insert the text box as well, and you can insert a lot of other things also. Drop cap also can be inserted from here. Okay, and you will be able to, quick parts also is available, and there are the different options available over here. All right, so that is the thing. So here this is the drop cap option. So it is very important options actually, which enlarges the first character of a line to an extent that it drops down by 2 or more lines. You can apply the drop cap feature by clicking on the insert tab, select drop cap option from the text group. So this is the drop cap options out here. So first of all, you go over there, then dropped, then this one will be dropped out here. You'll not be able to see right now, you will be able to see now. So now this has been dropped. This is the kind of style you can see. So the chosen character has been dropping down by 2 lines. All right, you can see out here, you can see the thing is that, and then another option is the in margin. This is in the margin. Okay, and another thing is also available, that is none. If you are choosing, then it will be as usual. All right, so the first character of the things, it will be dropped in. Okay, so these are the two options are available out here. Drop cap options are also been available, dropped. Okay, lines to drop 3 lines or 4 lines, you can increase distance from the left, you can also choose and then click on OK. So as per the things, it will be taken place. Okay, 3 lines, and the size also has been formatted. So this kind of formatting can be done also by using the drop cap utility, which is under the insert tab and text group, and the drop cap options you can see out here nicely. All right, so that is the different type of formattings available. If you want to see the word art, that one also is a very important utility. I can keeping out here, inserting the word art out here, inserting any style out here. Suppose this style, you can insert the text out here. Suppose you are writing TIGPS Siliguri. Okay, that has been inserted out here. Okay, so the thing is that what could you do is you can insert it, right click, and then do the right click, and then you can do the format shape or format word art. Okay, that is the thing. So right click and then to format shape. All right, so it has come over here. From here you can choose whatever you like. Okay, understand. So this is the thing has been done. All right, so the thing is that, so inside the thing is that right click on it, and then you will get the options from here. You can want bold, italics, underline, so everything can be done from here. You can choose the font color also as well, so it will be done. So wherever you keep the cursor, accordingly the changes will take place. Suppose if I am blue, I can keep it on the blue. All right, so that is the thing. So insert inside in this one. Suppose if you are selecting this text out here, inserting you can do, and then you can go to the text box and text options and all that is available. You can insert the uh, worded text. All right. So that's what about your wrapping of text, and you implement the practical properly in order to expertise in this particular set of actions. Fine. Okay, then thank you. A bit on insert word art and all. So first of all, how to insert, you have seen it in the last video, how to insert this. Little more I'm doing again once again with you. Insert, and then go to the word art options out here. You can type anything of your choice. Suppose you are writing out here TIGPS Siliguri. Okay, now how to format this one. So first of all, you need to select it over here, and afterwards what you do is right click on it, and then you can get several options available out here except the format shape. We don't require right at the moment. We have shown you also the how to format the shapes and all. Solid line you can keep out here. Okay, just a minute. Solid lines you can keep out here. What kind of solid line you can keep? That color also to be chosen from here. So it is blue color. Suppose I want, and I want to increase this thing. I want to increase the transparency once, and I want the square type, and then joint type is round. Say yeah, the label you can keep also. Okay, so these are the different things that are available out here. Reflection you can keep, transparency also, presets also you can keep out a little bit, like this reflections you can keep out here. Okay, so that is the thing. So this has been inserted out here. Now you see I will go to the format back for furthermore. Okay, in order to get some more options available, some more styles and all. Okay, here it is the shape effects are there, shape outline is also there. Here the shadow is also there, shadow you can insert. Okay, that is the thing. So the thing is that, and here also you will get a lot of other colors and all, color shapes and all you will get, and quick styles are also you get, glow 3D rotation also you will get in this way, you will get it in this way. That is the thing. So that's what we are doing right now. Okay, so the thing is that, so I'm coming back to the original one. So it is the formatting one, from where you will get all kinds of formatting possible out here. So here the predefined styles are also available, that is also can be chosen from here. Shape effects is also there, another important thing. So you can see just now how this is. Shape outline also is available. Okay, so you can give the shape outline from here like this. So the shape outline also can be it can be possible by using this word art. All right, and here is also one more options available. Okay, no fill is available, more fill colors are available. More fill color, this is the these are the different gradients are available, so you can choose over here like this and clicking on OK. So as per the things, the inside text will be changing. The color of the inside text will be changing. That is the thing. So this will help you out in order to change the styles of word art. Okay, and you can really enhance the presentation of your document. All right, here the word art styles are also available. Okay, there are different styles are available. You can see out here. These are the things: text box, vertical, top, everything is there. From where you will fix up, that is the margin, top, middle, you can fix in the middle also. Okay, that is the thing. All right, so the shape options are available also. Here the text fill, and here the reflections and all are available as I have shown you right now. Okay, soft edges are also available. So these are the different things that you can apply over here. You can highlight this and you can see it also. Okay, and then you can blur it also a bit, you can blur it also. Okay, so that's what actually the formatting of word art. And how will you do it? Insert, and then from you will go to the in text group, and from here you can insert the insert word art. All right, so that is the way you have to work with the word art. Okay, so my thing is that you should implement this practically in order to know this better. Okay, in order to know this better, so as you will do your options and all, you will be very much expert about inserting these particular things and all. All right, so that is the thing. So in this way, so I am I have explained this one up to you, and now it is your duty to implement MS Word art into MS Word. That practical steps to be steps are very, very important, and you must do it. All right, thank you. Thanks to all. Subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the intimation on latest videos posted by me. And the videos will be on the Python programming and other programming languages and other software related issues and practicals. So this will be really helpful for you, and be safe and be at home and enjoy the practical and the theoretical classes. Thank you.